Every battery replacement means effort, and every additional trip costs time and resources. That's why we developed the new solar version, for significantly fewer replacements and greater availability in operation. Solar supports the energy supply, and at dusk, the light automatically switches to operating mode. This reduces failure risks and simplifies logistics. In addition, we use more sustainable materials, and solar reduces the need for battery replacements. This lowers material consumption over the entire service life and reduces waste. Installation remains fast and practical, robustly designed for daily use in traffic safety operations. An energy-efficient lighting concept further supports operating time so that the benefits of solar have an even stronger impact in everyday use. For procurement and projects, we provide the documentation in one package, data sheet, certifications and tender modules. Less maintenance, less resource consumption, more availability. Request your personalized quote now.